Hey guys, Irene here. This is the 5 best tips Etoro copy trading for beginners. So in the next succeeding minutes, I will going to discuss to you about the Etoro platform and the 5 best tips copy trading for beginners, how to execute the trades, and my final thoughts about Etoro. Okay guys, I will not going to waste so much of your time. I'm going to share with you my computer screen so that I can discuss to you everything in there. But before that, please consider like, subscribe, and click the notification bell because I usually upload 1 or 2 videos every week about personal finance and how to kind of content.
Alright guys, we are now in a platform. There are two choices, the real portfolio and the virtual. I'm gonna use the virtual portfolio. The first tab that we will navigate is the watch list. So in watch list you can create your own folder list. I'm gonna give you example. Blue chip company, create new list, and we will going to add some of the favorite stocks that we can add in there. It's up to you. Plus sign, just click on so that it will be added into the folder. Let's go back to the top. As you can see, it's already there, the folder list that I created a while ago. Click all watch list. As you can see, all the folder I created is really organized. So let's check the next tab, which is portfolio. Usually it's your investment record. There are two signs next to portfolio, the pie chart. It actually represents your portion of investment. The next sign is the clock sign. I can simply say that this is your statement history. You can see the date and your stocks that you trade and executed. Alright, we are now in news feed. Actually, you can see here is like the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and the signals that other traders are sharing. Let's proceed to the trade markets. In this tab, you can see the update of the stocks, what's going on. Either it's going up or going down. Next is copy people. I will further discuss about it later at 5 best tips to copy trade. So stay tuned and watch the video till end. Let's proceed to invest in copy portfolio. Alright, basically these are group of traders categorized by Etoro according to their performance and risk appetite. And you can invest in there, but there, as far as I know, there's a minimum amount that you can invest, which is $5,000.
So guys, in the next succeeding seconds, I will discuss to you the juiciest information about Etoro copy trading. And thank you in advance for those people who smashed the like button. And if you didn't do that yet, please try to do so. It will motivate me to do more videos in the next succeeding weeks. Now I'm going to share to you again my screen and discuss to you everything there.
Let's go back to copy people. Tip number 1, the number of copier. The golden rule for me is the more copier, the more trustworthy. Basically, above 1000 copier, you have confidence that so many people are trusting to your trader choice. Tip number 2 is risk score. From 1 to 10, I always consider below 6 because from 7 above, it's quite risky. High return, high chances of loss. My third tips is the years of track records. As you can see in my example, since 2017, he already started trading. So it's been 5 years. I can say that it's pretty good experience. Let's proceed to the fourth tips. It's the percentage of returns. So as you can see here, only one lost 2018, but the rest are all win. Tip number 5, the last and final, is type of stocks. Check his portfolio, what kind of asset he's trading. Check if it is diversified. Remember the rule of thumb, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So think about it. Anyway, if you're thinking how to open Etoro account, link is in the description below. I will execute the trade now. Click copy. Let's edit the amount. If you're using virtual money, you can play around how much money you want to invest. This consider as you're training to trade. Stop loss is editable. To start copying, click copy. Just wait for a second and it will pop up the notification like that. Let's check if it's already in the portfolio. As you can see guys, it's already included. I will make a follow-up video about this to update you either I lost or I gained profit. If you want to be notified once I upload new videos, consider subscribe and click the notification bell. And if this content find helpful, smash the like button. It's free. You can do it in less than 2 seconds. I really appreciate it. And let's do this really quick for my final thoughts. Point number one, Etoro platform is easy and super friendly to navigate. Point number two, they are giving you virtual money to practice trading, but of course you cannot withdraw because it's just for trading simulation for you to learn before trading the real money. Alright, point number three, they have lower fee, only $5 to withdraw the fund, but sometimes changes may vary depend on the bank or country you are located in.